Hey guys, Dr. Matt here with Rev, a Center for Optimal Living. I am so pumped for this video today. We have an awesome guest with us. This is Dr. Suki Muker. Dr. Suki is a vitalistic chiropractor out of Vancouver, BC. He is an ultra endurance athlete, a multiple Ironman finisher, and an incredible human being. I'm so excited to have him here today. He is coming to the Chattanooga area on October 17th to speak at the Camp House. Dr. Suki, you have an incredible story, an incredible background. Can you go ahead and share with the people of Chattanooga and the people that don't know you, kind of your story and how you got to the point you are today in your life?
Absolutely. Thanks, Matt. I don't want to spoil it because I'm going to share a bit of that when I do speak, but the short version is I was raised on the other side of the tracks and involved in a world of really crime, violence, and drugs. And I almost lost my life when I was pretty young, 18 years old. And so effectively, I've spent the past 23 years really understanding biologically how we can really shift our lives and really transcend the circumstances around us and the challenges and the curveballs every single day. So for me, I've now have the great opportunity to really travel the world, and I've reached hundreds of thousands of people to really help them understand not just who we are and what our potential is, but actually develop really powerful strategies so we can actually begin to execute and transform our health, our well-being, our quality of life, our consciousness, and ultimately our results in the lives that we create. So I'm excited to come to Chattanooga and have that opportunity to share.
That's awesome. So, Dr. Suki, for those who don't know, just got done with a TEDx Vancouver talk. And the title of your talk was How Ordinary People Become Extraordinary. And that's what you're going to be speaking about here in Chattanooga. What can they expect from this seminar and from this talk?
Right. So, the cool thing about a TED Talk is it's an idea in a short amount of time. To be exactly 12 minutes. So, I get the opportunity to take 12 minutes and really expand and really cultivate some ideas and concepts to really help people understand what our inborn potential is. I talk a lot about our brain and nervous system, how we access the high performance systems in our brain and nervous system, because the reality is we only access about 1.1% of it. And if we can learn to even double or triple that, that's like, you know, tripling our quality of life, tripling our experience in life, tripling our consciousness and what we see, feel, and can experience in our life. So, I don't like to think of myself as extraordinary. I like to think of everybody as being extraordinary, but it's our ability to tap into that. So it's not just an ideas night, it's a night where we're going to share some really powerful strategies. So things that you can begin to implement and take home. Because, I'm all about results. I've coached world-class athletes, Olympians. I've coached high-level entrepreneurs. And in the end, it's about creating results. But for me, about connecting people to who they are, really sharing their gifts and who they are with the world. Because that ultimately is what fulfills us and really transforms our quality of life. So those are some of the ideas and strategies that I'm planning on sharing in Chattanooga.
Awesome. And guys, I can absolutely back that up. Dr. Monica and I met him 3+ years ago on a chiropractic mission trip. Completely changed our lives, completely changed how we viewed the world, chiropractic, and put us on a totally new trajectory of life. So I'm super excited to have you here, super blessed. Can't wait to see you, man.
Awesome.
The event is going to be at the Camp House on October 17th. That's a Monday. It's going to start right around 6:30. You guys can get your tickets. Tickets are going to be $15, and all proceeds are going to go to the Children's Organ Transplant Association. So super pumped to join up with them. Again, $15 pre-registration, $25 at the door. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email our office. Hope to see you all there, and everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.